In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the frustrating Windows cannot find, make sure you've typed the name correctly, and try again error. This is a common problem that can arise when you're dealing with shortcuts or programs that Windows can't seem to locate. But don't worry. We'll walk you through several strategies to solve this in just a few minutes. First, we'll address how to fix a broken shortcut, a typical culprit behind this error message. Start by right-clicking the shortcut that produces the error. Once the context menu appears, you'll want to click on Properties. From there, look for the button labeled Open File Location. If you receive a message stating Location Not Found, then the program might have been moved or deleted from your system. The best course of action in this scenario is to reinstall the program so that the shortcut directly links to the correct location. Next, let's explore how to open the program directly, bypassing the shortcut entirely. Begin by opening File Explorer, often depicted as a yellow folder icon on your taskbar. Next, click on This PC, and then double-click on Local Disk, C, which is usually your main hard drive. Inside, you'll find either Program Files or Program Files, x86, depending on whether your program is 32-bit or 64-bit. Open the folder that houses your application, and there, look for the executable file, usually an .exe. Double-click this file to launch your program directly. If the direct approach doesn't quite work, consider attempting a repair on the app. Start by heading to Settings via the Start menu, and then click on Apps, followed by Installed Apps. Here, scroll to find your application. Once located, click on the three-dot menu next to it and pick Advanced Options. You should see an option to repair or reset. Selecting Repair will attempt to fix any issues with the app without affecting your data. Choose Reset if repair doesn't resolve the problem, but note that this might remove some settings or app data. Finally, if all else fails, reinstalling the program might be your best bet. Access the settings once more through the Start menu, then Apps and Installed Apps. Locate the problematic application. Click on the adjacent three dots and select Uninstall. Once uninstalled, head over to the official website of the software, download the latest version, and proceed with installation. This should provide a fresh start for the application, free of any previous errors or misconfigurations. By following these steps, you should be able to solve the Windows cannot find error effectively. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out in the comments if you have any other tech fears you'd like us to tackle.